The apple cake isn't in the middle and it's bothering me. Like, why is it not centered?
Justified to the right.
She got her apple cake.
Apple cake.
Okay, this is what we got. I'm gonna put it here na lang.
Sugar rush, right?
Literally. Thanks, bestie. Try it. There's something.
Maybe it's literally like tea. It's tea, and then you just put sugar.
Maybe I should have just gotten Coke Zero. Our kiddie meal are 12 pieces of meatballs and dessert.
And salmon.
And salmon soup. Kanina pa kami nag-iikot, but for context, this is the desk that I have.
So small.
Diba? She didn't realize that my desk is this small. We're still on the... Yeah, it's not here. It's not that one. This is the details. It's like 9K. The way we're just standing here because we don't know how we're gonna ask for this desk. There are just random numbers on this label, but we don't know how to call. Like, where are you going to type it?
I need to buy it online first.
If
Ganon, we didn't have to come here.
Exactly. You need to buy it through the staff here.
You have to approach them first.
You have to approach. What if I can't do that? This one is the one I showed her. But why do I kind of why do I kind of want this one more? Not us filling up all the pillows because it's cold. It's supposed to be cold.
So many people probably thought it was
Right. Wait, where is it?
It was in the children's, like
As in the
like
where the
moment
plushies
we
are.
entered.
Oh, there!
That's the cloud.
There!
That's the one.
Wait. Nice. May laman na rin yung basket namin na actual product.
the cloud,
Yeah.
though.
Oh. The mushroom lamp. Okay, I'll get one. Slay. The light at the end of the tunnel finally. My feet hurt. Kanina we were saying it doesn't feel like it's the biggest IKEA in the world. And halfway we were like, my feet kinda hurt. How was the experience?
It's okay. Just a little tired, but it's okay.
Here.
Feels like I can live here, honestly.
So the only reason why I'm even here is because of my gift cards. There's no way I would spend that much if I didn't have this. The gift card. It's so unserious. Not Subin posting while we're fighting for our lives. After an hour and a half stuck in traffic, we're finally back. And the way it's so heavy, she can't even push.
It's so heavy. I don't know how Uncle Fred does this.
Okay, how do
fingers?
your we took like 5 minutes just getting the box open.
And look at it. It's nothing.
5:48. Okay, we're starting at 5:48. We're done with one drawer.
Come on now.
And she's out here struggling.
For my life. Yeah.
Purr. Okay. It's taking ages, bestie. Okay, we're here now.
Yun. Yun na ba?
We took so long trying to figure out the freaking, like, this one. This hinge thing. Like, it's so stupid. Oh my god, we're done.
2 hours.
2 hours. Wait, what time is it? It took us 2 hours. Not too bad, but it would have been faster
If we didn't
make a mistake.
Yeah.
But that's
The
on
screw.
that's on the instructions, not us. Okay, welcome to Angela's haul.
Quick, keep it clean haul. First, we have the big alcohol, big cotton pads with sweet almond, baby alcohol, another baby alcohol, but in citrusy air, sad band-aids, 3 plain ones, not even the cute one, a fan by Rhea Generic, double-sided, brochures. Thank you for watching my haul.
I got brownies.
Naubos mo yung crinkle yesterday.
Hindi. Nagkatan sila. Parang nag-itch nga yung ano ko eh, kainis. And, ay, hindi siya pasta. It is. And my bread.
Sana masarap ang ulam today. Please, God. Please. We're gonna go and get lunch. Kahit na meron na siyang lunch. Ate, isa pong beef broccoli. Take out po. With rice po. Pwede pong half rice. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Us when we're people who need to watch something while eating.
Not the spoiler.
Say hi.
Go away! No one is following me!
Where am I done?
Yeah, there's a mic there.
Where?
Sobrang bobo. What is that?
Pero without the mic, does it record good?
Yeah. Check mo sa Mega. Just check. You don't have to buy. Bestie, say hi. Say hi to my vlog, Bestie.
like apple or grape. So
I'm okay with any. Grape is my favorite flavor.
It's
Ang
not
cute!
a trip without a butter shop.
Ang cute! This is all mine?
Yeah, dude.
Thanks, bestie. We have the squash soup.
Split into two.
Her.
Kasing ganon. As in, ganito yung...
Older relative. Yeah, it's big.
Did you ever have BBM?
Yes.
You know what that is?
Very. Hindi mo nabutan.
Blackberry? No, I had one, but then, kasi nanakaw yung phone ko. Tapos immediately, ang pangit niya, na-replace siya with iPhone. Yung
It's just slow.
So we getting messages for you.
That's what I'm editing kanina. Siguro may ganun ako sa'yo.
Can you be normal?
Oo, dapat pitig-room pa tayo.
Okay na tayo.
How do you feel about me leaving?
Sad. Yes.
The rest of the-
hinintay.
Eh kasi!
Tuesday, nakatatlong balik ako dito sa... Di ba sabi ko, uwi na ako. Tatlong balik ko kasi wala nga pala akong data. Kaya magbaba ako, sabi ko, ay wala akong data. So balik ako para mag-wifi. Tapos nag-book ako. Tapos bumaba ako ulit. Tapos na-realize ko wala akong data. So paano ka siya mahahanap? So akit ako ulit.
Anong tawag sa'yo?
Tanga. I go to class. I go to a class and just play Pokemon Go.
And any last words to the vlog, bestie?
Goodbye. I'll miss you.
Bye, bestie.
Yesterday was my last day at work. It was a really fun day. They surprised me with slides of messages from them, and Sean even made like this edit of Muichiro with my face in it. I'm really just gonna miss all of the banter that we do in between work, when we would spend time in the meeting rooms, when we would go all the way to Megamall just to eat at the food court because we don't like the food at the pantry. And honestly, once I got home, it hit me that I was never going to step back in that office again. And even if I do, I'm never gonna see the same group of people and working with the exact same group of people. And that just made my heart sink a little because I really do enjoy spending time with my workmates a lot. And I think it hits harder because, especially since the pandemic literally like kept us all at home, once we started going back to work on site, kind of created a routine for me. Like every morning, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna go to work, and even though work kind of sucks most of the time, they make the days easier. Realizing that today, that routine just stops out of the consistent every day doing the exact same thing. It's weird because I never felt this way with like when I graduated high school, because one, it's not like I chose to go to that school, and in college I never felt this way either because it wasn't like high school that we just graduated and all. We literally had to stop going to school physically because of COVID, so it's not like I ever experienced like, you know, the graduation thing and having to leave your friends behind. I don't know, I guess this one is just a bit heavier because it's the first time that I chose to join something, but it was also my decision to leave. But at the same time I thought of it, I did the right thing for me because I wasn't happy anymore. And that's just life. Sometimes you get sick of things that you used to love. first order of business today is to wait for TXT's release of Do It Like That with the Jonas Brothers. I can't believe my timing from my freedom from work is like exactly the same as the release of this, because can I just say, when I first started work, literally my first day at work was the day of the release of 0 by 1 Love Song. So I'm right in front of my computer and I have like 6 or 5 minutes until it releases. The way my tabs for Mercari are all still open because I was on Mercari yesterday. I'm looking at this set, but it's kind of expensive. But anyway, let's go on YouTube. There's no premiere here. Wait, where is it? Where is it, Big Hit? Like, I'm honestly wondering if kids these days know who the Jonas Brothers are, because there are some people who don't even know who One Direction is. The Jonas Brothers are like way before One Direction. So I really wonder if like TXT's like a younger audience know who the Jonas Brothers are. But can I just say, Kai is literally the king of manifesting. Like, he said Camp Rock is what made him want to be like a performer, and now he's like collabing with Connect 3. That's so crazy to me. He's so like, I don't think people are realizing how crazy that is. Like, he manifested this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. TXT do it like that. Ayun. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. It's so good. Ayun na. They're so cute. It's almost done. This is my favorite part. Oh, they're so cute. Not me tweeting right now.
We're at Graham and Andy's. Oh my god. Andy's here.
I'll give you Spain's popular snap.
The racist one.
Yeah, the racist one. As you can see, it's quite racist. Filipinos. This is what the kids love. It's good. It's actually good. I'll give them that. This is only sold in Spain. So,
Thank you.
she's making a vlog out of the camera ready.
Here.
It's a cider. And, oh, not the milk tea. Thank you.
Here's the menu.
Taste test. Oh. I expected it to be like,
It's good.
oh, it's better with
Ah. So cute. And the dolls are on the plate. Ang cute ng screen. So cute.
Yeah.
I like the second one.
Yeah, the second one is hitting.
Okay, bestie.
Bestie, shall we select?
Yeah. What's the verdict? Is it good? Hey, bestie, where are we going?
Molito 8 town area. That's what they call it.
For the non-Alabang people, it's called ATC.
Yeah,
But for the Alabang people, it's
they call it town. Yeah.
She's gonna get dessert.
So if you've seen like cookies on TikTok, sila yung isa sa bakit may tour?
We walked all the way here and there's nothing. Like, this is the only one that they have. And it's like the 6th volume. I'm looking for the first one. Ang gusto kong bilhin, it's not available. Because sold out na. And I blame this on TikTok. Like,